Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Now in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called our Birthday Club Queen for a Day collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hostesses down below in the description box along with the playlist. So now the founder of this collaboration is Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie. And the co-hostesses are At Penny's Place, the Rodgers House, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, Creations by Simone, Interior Styles by Ton, Table Talk with Robin, Design to a T, and Tablescapes by Candy. So all we ask is that you full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and let's not forget to use YouTube etiquette. Now, for this winter season, our queen for the day is Amethyst Adventures. Happy birthday! So let's jump into the video as we're preparing to celebrate Amethyst Adventures Queen of the Day birthday party. Now at the Dollar Tree, I did purchase these round discs that you can find in the floral section of the Dollar Tree. And we are preparing to make a cake out of these discs. And then what you saw me doing previous to this, as I was making the announcement, I prepared some of the spackle that you can get from the auto section of the Dollar Tree. I placed that into a bowl, and then we added some apple barrel pink to the mixture. So we're going to be using that as frosting. Okay, so what you see me doing here is placing a little bit of glue in between each one of those discs and stacking them up so that we can make a round cake. So at the Dollar Tree, they had this garland, which is absolutely beautiful if you can find it. They had it in pink and in white, and I think they had it in red. But we're going to be using this to embellish once we apply the frosting, which is the spackle with the color. And we're going to be also using those flowers. They're absolutely beautiful. So let's start frosting the cake. It's always so exciting when you're preparing for a party to celebrate. Now the cake is already frosted, so now I'm going to start removing that garland and we're going to start going around the cake with it. Now, as you see me going around the cake with this, you also want to make sure you push that into the spackle because we want everything to dry and stay in place and we don't want it to fall out. So now we're placing a couple of those roses right in the center of that cake. So I am so happy with the results of how this cake came out. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? So now we're going to head on over to decorate the tabletop. Because it's so close to Valentine's Day, I decided to incorporate this pink and white. And that scarf I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Isn't that beautiful? So as I'm decorating this tabletop, I just want to wish Amethyst Adventures the most blessed day ever. I hope God fulfills your every desire for that day and that the favor of God is upon your life today and always.